Whooshy Tony update 464. A grumpy waker-upper. He's 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 a grumpy... Oh my God, he's up. Oh, you should have heard him. For 15-20 minutes he's going, Mama! Mama! He's a grumpy waker-upper. He's a grumpy waker-upper. Grumpy waker-upper. And he's in Whooshy Tony update 464, not 364 like I might have said earlier at the start of the video, but it's really 464, because he's a grumpy waker-upper. He's a grumpy waker-upper. He's Mr. Grumpy. He's Mr. Scrooge. He's Adolf Hitler. He's Joe Stalin in a bad mood when he wakes up. That's him. He's the grumpy waker-upper. Oh yeah! What do you say, Tony? Say good morning. Good morning. Alright. Okay, he's a happy waker-upper, not a grumpy waker-upper. Very good. Alright, there you go. Whooshy Tony update 464, taken on November... Oh God, what? Let's see. Saturday. If Saturday's November 21st, 2009, today is Tuesday, so I'll let you do the math. Anyway, figure out the date yourself. I don't have to do all... Do I have to do everything for you people who watch this videos? Come on, you know. You're all very self-sufficient. Anyway. Uh-oh. Oh, Tony's got to use the pee-pee... He's got to use the pee-pee box. Anyway, that ends the update. Here we go.